Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Microsoft could buy TikTok for as much as $30 billion. Scientists have no idea why we sleep. There is a pizza place in Alaska that delivers by a helicopter. Steve Jobs' Mercedes car never had a number plate. Human lose 21 grams of weight after death. Aurora Diamante fountain pen, world's most expensive pen. People that are really close can read each other's mind. Prince Charles drives a car that basically runs on white wine. Shy people are smarter and more trustworthy. Babies cry, but they don't produce tears until they are 1 to 3 months old. According to the second law of thermodynamics, ghosts should not exist. Russia has become the first country to successfully complete human trials of the coronavirus vaccine. Sony sold Walkman in the bottle of water to prove it was really waterproof. Pregnant women remember dreams more than others because of hormonal changes. These local blood banks have these signs show how much blood they have. ETH researchers have created an artificial silicone heart to help combat the storage of donor hearts. Venezuela is the world's cheapest country to buy petrol. One minute of anger weakens the immune system for 4 to 5 hours. Scientists develops wearable tech that converts your body's neutral heat into usable electricity. George Washington did not have wooden teeth. Vegetable in Alaska grows gigantic because they receive 20 hours of sunlight a day. In Australia, there is a mesh netting that captures the trash before it goes into the ocean. In the horror movie Poltergeist, real skeletons were used. The hyoid bone in your throat is the only bone in your body not attached to any other. One egg per week can reduce your risk of diabetes by 76%. Green Lake is a place in Australia that is dry park during winter and a 10-meter deep lake during the spring early summer. Grizzly bears consumes up to 20,000 calories a day. The Statue of Liberty was made with copper, but due to oxidation it changed to green. It requires 7 to 8 trees to provide enough oxygen for just one person per year. The Sun Dune Cave, the largest known cave in the world. Lassi is a great source of probiotics that promote a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Company creates portable fish tank called the Katsugo bag so you can take your pet fish on the go with you. Nearly half of the gold ever mined has come from one place, Witwatersrand, South Africa. Tom and Jerry were originally named Jasper and Jinx. Mammatus are pouch-like cloud structures and a rare example of cloud developing from sinking air. Scientist claims that by 2030 the Earth will experience a mini ice age. Finland government creates eco-friendly spray paint that glows in order to protect animals at night. The largest employer in India is the Indian Railways, employing over 1.4 million people. If California were its own country, it would be the fifth richest country in the world. Crush and powder Java plum, jamun, then have it with water or curd that will help you fight cancer and kidney stones. NASA scientists detect evidence of parallel universe where time moves backwards. There is a fungus called the bleeding tooth that looks like whipped cream topped with cherries. Swedish city introduces $26 permit for begging. Adidas company makes shoes from plastic waste. In a German village called Fuggerei, the rent has not been raised since 1520. It costs just $1 to live entire year. In North Korea, coffee is being sold for Rs 7,000 per packet, tea for 5,000 per packet and banana for 3,300 per kg. A curly hair which is still preserved of an Egyptian pharaoh queen who died at the age of 60 in 3,500 years ago. During foreplay, a woman's breast can increase in up to 25%. The average number of times a healthy male will ejaculate in a lifetime is 7,200. Thanks for watching.